Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a moving background in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create a new project on Capcut, and then I'm just going to use video from the Capcut library because I don't have any footage to be edited. I'm going to go to the live category and I'm going to select for example this video guys. I'm going to create moving background for this video. Okay, I'm going to add it to my project. Alright, and then if we want to create moving background, we can go to the effects on the CapCut. You can select the effect right here and then select the body effect. Okay, and in this body effect you are going to go to the hallucination effect. Okay, then here you're going to select moving background for your video. I'm just going to use the free effect, this one guys, distorted world. Okay, and now the moving background has been added to my video. I'm going to try this one as well. Okay, but I'm gonna go with this one guys. Alright, and then we can adjust the effect. We can adjust the color, intensity, glow, twist, and speed. I'm just going to increase the speed, and once you're done you can click on the check mark. Okay, and now the moving background has been added to my video, this one. Alright, and actually there is another way to create moving background for your video. I'm going to delete this background, the effect, and then I'm going to show you how we can create moving background with another trick. Okay, I'm just going to duplicate this clip. I'm going to go to the duplicate menu and then I'm going to make it as an overlay. I'm going to click on overlay. Okay, then we can remove the background of the video. Go to the remove background and I'm going to use auto removal. If you're not a premium user, you can use the customized Capcut and you can remove the background manually. Okay, then you just need to wait until the background has been removed from your video. Okay, and then I'm going to add animation to the main layer to create moving background. I'm just going to go to combo and then select the animation that you like. Let's try the zoom animation or a bounce. I'm going to select bounce. Okay, as you can see guys that the background is moving. I'm going to try this one as well. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create moving background in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!